Might need to invest in a winch. All right, guys, here it is. Big trip. Everything's ready. All the preparations have been made. Everything's greased up, oil changed, tires filled, everything. Same thing here. Everything's ready to roll. We got our spare. I didn't have time to weld a rack up there, so that'll be our spare. We got 4 binders, 1 binder per tire, just to be safe. We put some skid plates in, just 1/4 inch shit I had laying around. I just put 2 bolts in there. It'd be good enough for now. And then my janky ramp setup, 2 locks, and then something maybe hopefully stop it from rattling around too much. We'll see. All right, here we go. Let's get on the road. Okay guys, we've done maybe 50 miles so far. A little loud, but we'd expect that. Everything's going fine. Yeah, check back in if anything blows up or if nothing happens. I'll let you know. You guys can see me because it's dark. It's the dark time, but take my word for it, everything's going smoothly. Although I already have a couple ideas of upgrades we need to do. Number 1, we need to do a redhead or blue top steering box because I'm chasing this wheel all over the road. It's getting real old. Other than that, everything's going good. So I guess I'll just check back in when we get there because we're almost there. So see you soon. Holy crap, 337 miles, not a lick of problem. So I'm tired. We're gonna hit the sack and I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, this is day 2 of the Wisconsin trip. We made it home, or made it here just fine. Yesterday we went out ice fishing, stuff like that. Had some time. Well, now the people, they're going snowboarding and skiing and all that. We're not doing that because we've got a bad track record of eating shit, and I don't want to risk my knee. So we're gonna make use of our time while they're out fucking around on this hill, and we're gonna put a new master clutch cylinder in the truck, the Fummins. Only because we're getting really shaky takeoffs when we're fully loaded, like a real load. And I'm wondering maybe there's air or some kind of tear in the master cylinder, rubber O-ring seal plunger deal. So $40. I had it delivered here yesterday at O'Reilly's in, where am I at? I don't even remember what city. Rhinelander. So we're gonna run out real quick, take my buddy's fiance's Jeep. That way we don't have to hook the Fummins, and then we're gonna go get it and put it in and see if that helps anything. So here we go. Just cruising along. This little Jeep gets it. It's kind of nice. 2-wheel drive, which is kind of weird. I don't think they even made 2-wheel drive Jeeps. It's kind of antithetical. But man, my buddy and his girl, fiance, are just way out in the boonies, man. It's like a fucking 44-minute drive to town, and the town's super small. Like, I don't know. I'm the Midwest Moose, but this is some like, and it's not even straight shot. It's like windy, fucking beautiful landscapes. I'm not complaining. I love Wisconsin. It's just a pain in the ass. You gotta run to get parts. That's all I'm saying. Unless you get them to your door. All right, it's out. So this is the old master cylinder. There's some shit down in there. Some shit going on in there. I'm gonna tear this apart later and see if there was anything wrong with it. I got my clutch push rod, I can't talk, out. there's like a little ball at the end. And there's 3 little fingers that are inside there. See, they grab it and they retain it. And you can get a special tool. I've seen guys use Sharpies. They cut the cap of the Sharpie in half, like lengthwise, and then slip it over. But I just used a piece of Mountain Dew bottle, shoved it in there to get the fingers to let go, and then just pulled the push rod right out. So that's all you need. Simple little tool. Nothing fancy. So let me bench bleed the new one, slam that back in. Struggle with the bolts because there's going to need to be one person holding the bolt in the front, one person tightening on the back, and there's only one me. So that could be fun. So pretty quick operation. I just want to see if it'll work. I'm meaning to do it anyway because that's the last link in the puzzle, I think, other than the clutch. Anyway, I'll check back when we have that all tied up. All right, tore everything apart. This is the old master cylinder. Everything looks good, except on the inside, there's a tear. See it? That might have been leaking past. So, now that everybody's back, I can bleed it. I'm gonna try to bench bleed and gravity bleed it, but this will be faster. So let's do that.
I don't know where a fella could get a little drink around here, do you, bud?
So that's the video, guys. 6 hours one way, 12 hours round trip. We did beautifully. We prepared everything we could and it paid off. Nothing happened. Everything went perfectly. So that's the end of it. That's it. That's the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, I'm Midwest Moose.